Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and thanks so much for joining me. Today we transform a humble shoebox into a version of American Girl's new treat cart from Girl of the Year Summer McKinny's collection. This versatile pushcart has functional front wheels, storage compartments on the back, and a bright rainbow awning. Add to this our DIY pet treats and your dolls are ready for lots of entrepreneurial fun. Since this is a DIY, you can switch up the colours to make this cart perfect for your doll's business needs and desires. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to support our crafty content. We have lots to show and share, so let's get making. Start by buying yourself new shoes. No, seriously, this box was saved from a back-to-school purchase. Coat the inside with liquid glue, then adhere strips of foam board or cardboard to strengthen the back and all four walls. Use scraps of thicker 10mm foam board for the dividing wall and shelf. Cut a foam board rectangle the same size as your shoebox and mark the two compartments for storage. Cut out the windows, then affix the frame piece to the box. Paint everything cream to look similar to AG's version. Next, we took thick bamboo skewers for support poles and cut strips of computer paper in varying widths to create the decorative moulding. Begin by wrapping 2 strips of thin paper about 1 cm from the flat edge. Above this, wrap a thicker strip of paper and layer a shorter piece around it in the middle for dimension. Build the next shape by using 4 differently sized strips of paper in the order seen on screen. Finish the embellishment with another double layer of 5mm paper. Leave a 12 cm gap, then repeat the wrapping process at the opposite end of the skewer. Repeat to make 4 decorative poles, then paint them hot pink to match AG's colour scheme. We also painted extra bamboo skewers to support the awning, which you'll see later. Switching to the cart wheels, we traced this Tupperware lid onto paperboard 7 times per wheel. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts and cut out an hourglass shape from each segment. Use this as a template to trace and cut the pattern from 2 more paperboard circles. Cut away the middle of 2 circles to make a ring with a 1.5 cm border. Stack and glue the decorative pieces together, then add a ring to the front and back of the wheel. Repeat to make a second wheel, then paint them hot pink. With your remaining circles, cut out the middle again so you have a ring with a 1 cm border. Paint these pieces white, then affix a ring to the front and back of each wheel. For the axle arm, measure your shoebox and cut a piece of dowel that is slightly longer in width. Punch small circles of paperboard and make a hole in each disc so the paper can slide over the dowel. It should fit snug, but not too tight. Glue the disc together, then affix to the center of your wheel. Take a jumbo straw and cut it to the exact width of your shoebox. Your dowel should slip easily inside. To assemble, glue the dowel into the paperboard hub of your first wheel. Slide on the straw. Then glue the other end of the dowel into the hub of your second wheel. Great! Our wheel really rolls. Next, cut a countertop from thick 10mm foam board and cover with a pink marble printable. For extra durability and shine, cover again with clear contact paper. Make a hole in each corner of the countertop. Trim off the pointed tip from each skewer, then glue a pole into each hole. Use your extra skewers to connect the poles at the top. This will also make the awning structure sturdier. We will make the awning itself from paperboard and coloured ribbon. Draw an arch onto paperboard that fits the left and right side of the awning. Then measure the curved area and cut a rectangle that will wrap over top. Add a tab to each short side. Pre-bend your paper to help coax it into the right shape. Then cut notches into your tabs to make it easier to affix the arch piece into place. Whilst the glue is drying, cut lengths of ribbon and scallop trim the ends. Glue them to the paperboard using an AG reference picture for the rainbow order. It helped to use fray check on the cut ribbon ends for a neat finish. Now attach the awning by hot gluing the support poles to the inside of the paperboard. Following this, draw the outline of the shop sign onto paperboard and cut out 4. Cover one cutout with black contact or black chalkboard paper. Remove the center window from the rest. Use hole punched circles in different sizes and a star punch to add paperboard detail to the frame. Then paint it light pink. Attach the back panel and the sign is ready to mount on the cart. To balance the wheels, cut and decorate more bamboo skewers for legs. Paint them cream. Affix the legs into a base cut from more 10mm foam board painted hot pink. Glue the base to the bottom of your cart. Then glue the straw from our wheel axle to the opposite side, checking the wheels still turn smoothly. Adhere the shop sign to the front of the cart and the countertop to the top. Finally, cut off the hook from a clothes hanger and paint it grey for the cart handle. Use self-adhesive green fun foam and wrap it around the middle section of the hanger for the grip. Hot glue the handle under the countertop on the opposite side to the wheel. Fabulous! Our DIY treat cart is complete. Transform an old shoebox into a fun and functional pushcart just like Summer McKinney's. Thanks for joining me and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.